Okay, this one's for Bob Casey. I'm gonna try this again, Bob. You've been asking me for if you hear Nevada in the background, that's BMAC aerial visuals. Come on over here, B. There goes BMAC and his Avada. Avada! I am, anyway, back to it. Bob Casey's been asking me to do a stick cam. Bob, I'm gonna try to do that for you today. I've been trying actually, and I keep moving my hands around all like this when I'm flying, so they keep coming out of frame on my Action 1 here, but I'm gonna try to do a stick cam for you guys today. Special shout out Bob Casey. Let's see if we can rip this bando, and we'll see what we can capture here. Come on. Maybe I'll chase Brian around a little bit if I see him out there. I hear him. Okay. There he is. I'm just doing little flip-de-doos for you guys, just so mainly for Bob, so you can see what I'm doing. He's trying to flip the switch, I'm going into manual mode, so I'm just doing some flip-de-doos here so Bob can see what I'm doing. He knows how to fly manual. He's just nervous to crash this booger, but I keep telling him he's got it. So get up high enough, get level. If you're upside down, kill your throttle. You're doing a trick, kill your throttle. Steer around, steer with both sticks. I'm at a 7-degree camera angle right now, so you can get crazy with it, but 7 degrees is a slower angle. You can get back here and go slow-ish. You can slow up a little bit more if you need to see and not be looking up too far with a lower angle. If you're at a 15-degree angle, you're going pretty fast. 20 degrees, even faster. When I'm hauling ass, I fly at about 20, 22, 23 degrees. Usually not too much more than that, because that's just enough for me. I think it goes way the hell up. I don't even know what it goes to, but I think 58 degrees if I remember right. It goes way the hell up. Potato Jet's video showed like 58 degrees. Oh shit, the wire's there. I'm gonna kick this up to 16 degrees. I hit the ground.